hair loss is very forgiving. You need to lose half your hair before you notice you're thinning. A lot of patients come in and they didn't know that they had hair loss, and actually they tell me that they saw pictures taken at a wedding or a video, or they see themselves in a monitor and say, who's that bald guy there? Because they didn't realize, you know, that they were that severe. Basically, the reason why that occurs is that the forelock, the area of hair right here is very important. It helps in framing the face. So really, you know, it makes it look like we have more hair than we may necessarily have. You know, it's all a matter of looking at it from a different angle, and most of the time we just look straight on. You know, I think the less forgiving angle is when you look to the floor. You know, if you look at top down, looking at the floor, seeing the top of your head, that's a less forgiving angle that is harder to hide. And also the lateral obliques, you know, lateral flexion one way and the other are also other angles that expose more hair loss. So it's a matter of perspective that you're viewing yourself from. Also, the issue comes to mind of a diffuse thinner. This is an early hair loss. Remember that you can lose half your hair, so you can have thinning throughout your scalp and not really detect it. Best hair transplants done today really are very close or can a lot of times exceed how the hair looked even before there was hair loss. And that's what I hear in some of the patients, that before when they were teenagers, their hair never was as good in terms of how easy it is to style as after a transplant. I think that's, you know, above and beyond when someone looks better than before they have hair loss. But the sine qua non of the best hair transplant, in my opinion, is a hair transplant that doesn't look like a hair transplant.